Strong thunderstorm in moving east at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 45 miles an hour, penny-sized hail, very heavy rain. Locations impacted include The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dearborn County, northern Kenton County, northern Boone County, southwestern Hamilton County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Greendale, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Covington, Florence, Independence, Erlanger, Newport, Edgewood, Ellesmere, Cheviot, Fort Mitchell, Villa Hills, Taylor Mill, Fort White, Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Ludlow, Crescent Springs, Aurora, Crestview Hills, and Park Hills. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 3. I-74 in Ohio between mile markers 7 and 19. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 177 and 191. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 9.